Hey everyone, I'm Robert. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be making enchiladas. And instead of using tortillas, I'm going to try using cabbage. And I know that there are people who have cabbage roll recipes out there where it's an enchilada filling that they use. So I'm going to see if I can replicate it by just sort of freestyling. I'm not actually using a recipe that requires cabbage. Actually, I'm using a recipe from the website Wholesome Yum, and so there'll be a link to the recipe in the description box below. Let's get started by blanching our cabbage. It's important to blanch your cabbage because if not, it won't be pliable. And so I'm gonna try a method that I saw where you cut the leaves off first, and then you put them in a pot of boiling water and then let them cool in some cold water. So as you can see here, this top leaf is connected to the rest of this cabbage head at this spot right here. So if I go ahead and cut with this tiny knife here like that, I should be able to just lift carefully, slowly, gently, and get a nice intact cabbage leaf. This is definitely an exercise in patience, which I do not have. Okay. Oh, it's already ripping. Okay, well, I think it was already ripped though. Oh, look at that. Wow. That looks great. I did not anticipate, so they didn't have green cabbage at the grocery store this week, which is why I'm using red cabbage. And I just didn't anticipate how dark it would be. I assumed that it would be somewhat like see-through, but there's really nothing there. So I might put filling in this, I might not. So you're gonna peel away your leaves one by one, and then you're going to dunk them in a pot of boiling water for about 20 seconds, and then pull them out and dunk them into a bowl of cold water. I actually was unsuccessful in getting all of my pieces of cabbage peeled off. So what I did was I cut them along the rib and just pulled them off as pieces. And so like that, they pretty much work. They're gonna make smaller enchiladas, so keep that in mind, but you need them to be pliable anyway so you can roll them up. So I finished blanching the rest of the cabbage. And I mean, these are pretty sizable pieces. I think we can work with this. So we're gonna start filling our enchiladas. So I have a couple of whole ones, like I have this first one, and then I have a couple of others as I started to get deeper and deeper into the head of cabbage, I figured let's try blanching the head and then trying to remove the leaves, and that seemed to be a little bit more effective. I had cut into it already though, so I do have little breaks. So next time it'll be perfect. So let's try using this enormous piece, and I didn't realize that it's purple on purple, so I'm not going to be able to see anything. Let's see. Put that in there. And then I guess this does seem like it's maybe too big. All right, they're full. I sound so over this. Okay, so now we're supposed to pour the rest of the enchilada sauce over these. Oh, now you can see the difference because the enchilada sauce is red. Surprise. And then sprinkle some cheese on top. All right, I'm gonna put my enchiladas in the oven and then we'll come back and taste them. So the enchiladas are done and it's time for us to taste them. But first, let's see what they look like. I don't love them visually. They look like little eggplants covered in cheese. But let's hope they taste better than they look. And then garnish with a little cilantro and green onion. It's not perfect, but that's like a photo right there. Yum. So I pulled out a steak knife because I know that this is going to be work. Chopping down a tree just to eat an enchilada. Okay. Get a nice concentrated bite. This one. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Check that out. Ooh. It smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. All right. It's not It's not the type of enchilada that you're used to. It's definitely very cabbagey, but I'm gonna eat this. This was a bigger bite than I thought I was taking. I will say, the sauce, ooh. Pouring the sauce on top of the cabbage gives the cabbage a nice smoky flavor. You know what? Let's get someone else in here to get a second opinion. I'm gonna have Daniel come and give these a try.
I thought you never asked.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Hi.
I know that you have been very hungry.
I have been.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
So I want you to taste my enchiladas and and let's see what you think.
Oh. Hold on. I like that they're purple.
I kind of hate that they're purple, but
why?
I'm glad you like them.
They're beautiful.
It's deceiving. It looks like I'm eating eggplant.
Well,
and I'm not.
I just think that they're very pretty and like the colors are nice. Let's see.
And also my hands are stained. I actually went to wash my hands and it turned the water blue.
Okay, that's true.
Okay. It's sort of interesting. So we had tacos recently, and instead of using taco shells, we used blanched cabbage. And in that instance, the cabbage added like a nice light, almost sweet flavor. Here, they're taking away from the smokiness of the
spiciness too.
and the spiciness of the enchilada sauce. But the filling is incredible.
Ooh. I think we cut the ribs off next time.
Yeah.
Because then they're more like paper.
Yes.
But I think we use the green cabbage next time too, because I think it has a thinner leaf.
Yeah.
But, and maybe double the enchilada sauce so it can be really
saucy.
Just like me. That's very tasty.
Yeah.
And I like the crunch, it's nice.
Well, thanks for tuning into this video. If you like this video, be sure to share it with everyone you know. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And until next time, keep it keto.